Right, so the target, we minusing 25% fuel on the trims. So that we had to check out why we're getting them high fuel trims. Right? Yeah, RPM is 1125, reaching as much as 1200 plus. O2 sensor, stick rich. So we had to see if it's really a rich condition. The idle set RPM supposed to be 800, so it's supposed to strive to stick around 800 RPM, but that's not happening. So we had to assess all of that. Right, so the throttle body from the vehicle here. You can see the state right at the back and at the front. Right, so I go and clean it up while I'm at the radiator man here, while they're doing the service. So I wouldn't have to take time now to take it down and then let that coolant and thing leak out. Did it before? I'll show the after just now. Right, so throttle body clean at the front, right at the back, right, and you see again we air there, so we got to do a throttle relearn because it got idle more than likely higher than where it was idling at, so we got sort out all of that. Alright, so the airflow from the Tiida, so we're going to service it. So there's the before, you might see it has some little dust. Right, so we're going to service it and put it back up. Trying to get zoomed in to focus. 1 second. Right, so there's the before, we'll show the after. Right, so there's the after. There's after we service it. So trying to get the focus so we could see the difference. Right, so we see the difference there from the before and the after. Alright. Alright, so radiator install, cooling fan working, throttle body service. You could see the idle drop. We're not at 1600 as we were before. Right? The relearn was successful. Right, so we're down to about 713 RPM, coolant temperature 95 degrees. I'm going to carry it for a test drive to make sure that the cooling fan working under load.